Alright, y'all. It's your boy DEK. So I'm excited today because I just got my first ThreadBeast box. I'm not going to show you that part because it has all my information on this shit. But so, if y'all, there it is. If y'all don't know what ThreadBeast is, it is a subscription for men's streetwear. What you do is you pick from 3 different tiers. I think one's like $50 or $60. You get like 3 to 4 items. If one's 80 something, you get like 4 or 5. And then you get the premium, which is the premium, and you get I think 6 to 7 items in this box. Sometimes they give you bonuses if you put, codes in and stuff like that when you sign up. I don't have a code for you. This is not a sponsored video, but hopefully they send me some free shit out of this. So I've been excited. I've been waiting for this thing for like 2 weeks. They send you a box every month. This box was $135. They also have another tier, which is the baller box. From what I hear, you get a pair of shoes with that all the time. This box, they sometimes rarely send you sneakers, I guess. So I'm going to get into it and see what I got. Like I said, I'm extremely excited right now. Hopefully it don't change my mind when I open the box, ThreadBeast. Before we get into it, I'm going to light this up first. I just got to work. I'm a little sweaty, a little dirty. You know what I'm saying? We're not tuning down, you feel me? Alright, so I guess let's just get right in and see what I got. Man, I'm excited, man. I also after I set up the order, I looked at a lot of videos and stuff, and people get some stuff they didn't want. So I really kept emailing them to make sure they get my style right. I was telling them things that I like to wear, things that I do wear, certain brands and stuff like that. You can also tell them what you don't like, I told them favorite colors and all that. So I'm getting it. I know you guys don't like me talking so much because that's kind of boring. Who cares about the fuck I gotta say, right? But yes, you go to ThreadBeast.com, and that's it, man. So I'm gonna bust this open and see what we got. Boom. Cut that bad boy open. Okay. It's like this here. Okay, so what I'm seeing right now is pretty cool when I first opened the box. I mean, from what I can see right now, I'm pretty excited. So we're going to find out. Everybody shows you ThreadBeast stickers. You get ThreadBeast stickers, see that? ThreadBeast. Get this little card, so y'all get free stuff. It says package number 1, congratulations on becoming an exclusive ThreadBeast member. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so I'll look at this later. This is like a little card, I guess, so you can get free stuff. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Oh, already, bruh. They did me right. I told them Staple Pigeon was like one of my favorite brands, and first thing in the box is and I already see something else. I'm going to go crazy, bro. Look at this. I'm gonna show you the inside of the box because I got some Staple Pigeon sweats. I don't know if they're shorts or pants yet, and I also got some shoes, man. I'm not gonna show y'all the shoes yet, but I got some shoes, bruh. I'm already lit right now. I'm excited like a motherfucker, man. I don't know if I'm gonna like the shoes, but we gonna see. They look from what I can see, look a little weird, but we're gonna see. Alright, so the first item got here. These are nice. These are nice, bro. These are sweet. So we got some Staple Pigeon sweats. Got the little zippers at the bottom. Feel me? Or if y'all can see from over there. Staple Staple, excuse me, band, staple, boom. The joints is fly. I told them I'd take a large. They sent me a extra large. Yeah, this is tight. This is tight. I'm gonna rock them. I'm gonna rock them for sure. Okay, now, so they sent me some shoes. Now, I really don't know how I feel about these shoes. I mean, I guess they're Huff shoes. Humper shoes. Humper shoes. Okay, well, I mean, it's my size. I mean, it's size 11. Come with some extra shoelaces. Huff shoes. I believe they're a skateboarding brand. I mean, I don't skateboard, but I rollerblade, I inline skate. I mean, what you think? They're alright, I guess. I mean, it's not really what I usually wear. Kind of digging a little scorpion on the tongue. But, I don't know. I'll try them out. I'll rock them. You know what I mean? Rocking joints, man, rocking to work, something like that. You know what I mean? Fresh. So that's my second item right there. Boom, these are shoes, cuz the bottoms are pretty cool. Little leopard popping off. Not going out there. Get that. Next, I got a little tee. I don't know, it looks regular tee. It says ThreadBeast Plus. I mean, I never heard of this. Oh, it's a long sleeve. I mean, it's not bad. I'll rock it. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty cool. A little closer for you to see it. It'll pop over a long sleeve tee. Not too bad. I rocks with it. This over here side of me, match the paints, you know what I mean? Oh, look what they did. Look what they did. They already knew. I told them I like dope. Send me a little dope hat, snapback dope hat. You know, I like this hat. You know, I mean, it's $36 hat. $36. So already that's my 35 back basically right there. Just that hat. That's 35. The shoes you figure gonna be like probably like, I don't know. Let's say these shoes 52 to like $75. I mean, right there, the hat and the shoes, you already got your money's worth, man. You know what I'm saying? I still got 1, 2, 3, like three, 4 more items in here. You know, so that ain't bad. 1, 2, 3, 4. I already got 4 out. So I got my 7 items, but I really didn't expect shoes. And I think that's pretty cool, man. I mean, it's not like most of the stuff I got so far, this stuff, couple of stuff, man. I mean, I rock this. I rock all this right here. All this will get rocked eventually, you know what I mean? Now, right now, Rip, I can tell you, these next pants I'm going to show you. There's some joggers. I'm not a big fan of joggers, and I'm not a big fan of like dark blue type jean material, but let's see. So they sent me some joggers, man. They're like jean joggers. It says A jeans joggers. A jeans joggers is exactly what they are. So here it is right there, A jeans joggers. I mean, they're okay. I mean, I don't know. And it's kind of like got like a one pocket thing popping off and like no pocket on one side. I mean, I don't know. Maybe. I might have to get these away. I don't know. I might lie. We'll see. Let's see. Let's see what's popping with that. Okay. Next item. Okay. Something else. Asphalt shirt. Asphalt ain't bad. I mean, I've seen people rock it. You know, this this ain't bad. I'm not. I told him I like. See, the thing is about this box though, man. I mean, I told him I like red. Like I'm a real red wearing type of guy. They sent me a lot of like almost like a whole blue outfit. I got the blue pants and this blue shirt here, which isn't bad. I'll probably rock it and shit. But I mean, it's not like. I mean, that's tight. I mean, I rock the shirt. The shirt is off. I got some J's that I rock with that. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, that's straight. Rock that. You know what I mean? Alright, last but not least, I guess, is a pair of socks. We got some socks. Okay? Some Richard Poor socks. Richard Poor. It's kind of cool. I mean, I guess it go with the blue and shit, you know. I mean, I'll find something to throw it together with. But as you see the socks, it's kind of cool actually. Got a little look like a little peace sign, but it's a little cactus. You see that? I mean, little cactus plant. So they're kind of cool, you know, nice. With your poor socks. I mean, shit, how much is these socks? I don't tell you the price when you hear socks, but I mean, I hear they're good socks. You know what I'm saying? So that's what's up. I mean, out of all my items, I think I like everything really, except for these fucking joggers, man. Like these joggers here, man. These are like a no-go, bro. I told them, like I like the stress type jeans. Like these are like a total no-go. So, I mean, I either be getting either way or see if I can, I don't know, I'll do something like charm or whatever. So that's it, man. I mean, that's for my box. I mean, I'll tell you what, I was excited. I was really, really excited, and I'm still pleased. You know, I'm pleased. It kind of switches up the style a little bit. You know what I mean? I'm ecstatic about. I'll tell you the things I like the most. Okay, all the stuff I just pulled out. I love these fucking sweatpants out of shit, bro. These shits out of shit. These sweatpants made the box. This hat is the shit. I like the hat. The hat's black, it's simple, dope. Feel me? The shoes, honestly, it's not my style, but I'm a rocker. I'm a rock these. You know, because it changes me up a little bit. I like those scorpion, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna wear these. I mean, I'm not ecstatic about them. You know, I wear like Nikes, Tim, J's, shit like that. This is some new shit. I ain't got nothing like this in my closet whatsoever. Nothing. But I'm gonna wear them. I'm gonna see what's popping with it, man. I mean, they're cool. So between the three items though, like the sweatpants and the hat and the shoes, that's your money right there. Like pretty much, that's more than your money right there. Because if I'm a guy, so when guys go out shopping, like you go buy a pair of sweatpants, right? Pair of sweatpants, you're probably lace sweatpants like this. Let's see, I don't even know if the price is on these, but let's just say Istanbul, right? You're probably gonna end up paying about $40. Let's say low end $40 for these, right? And on the high end, you probably pay like $60. These shoes, definitely probably like, I'll give them like $75, right? Hat, all the other price on $36, right? So right there, if you add up all that stuff I just told you, right? So you figure 40, 30, let's just round that for that's 80. And then you got the shoes. This already put you up like $150 already. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 more items. I got 4 more items here. Another pair of pants, the joggers I don't like. This asphalt shirt, which is decent. This shirt I like. It's the gray long sleeve I showed you. And these socks. These socks, I mean, I don't know what to match these fucking socks with. I might just wear these around the house and shit. But they're cool. But your money's worth already here. You get extra gear. I mean, I think it's pretty cool. I'll fuck with them again. See if they get the style right next time. Because I think I sent some emails a little late. Like when I told them I like red, that was a little later. I told him I like Stample. That's like one of my favorite brands. I like Born Fly, stuff like that. That was a little late when I emailed him that. So we'll see. But other than that, I mean, it's not bad. First box, not bad. I didn't expect a pair of shoes. That was a surprise. You feel me? Now you pretty much wear anything make it look good. Some flies, you know what I mean? This fucking block keep going up because you guys got me talking, but I'm gonna cut it like that, bro. You know what it is. Hope you enjoyed. Tune in to my YouTube channel, man. I'm trying to make some money so I ain't gotta work no more, B. You feel me? I know all y'all out there probably work, man, and I ain't trying to do this no more, man. Yo, subscribe to my YouTube channel, man. I'll stop posting more videos. I haven't done this in a long time, but I guess ThreadBeast got me up on it now. So I'll post my next box when it come in, and you know, I hope y'all enjoyed my video, man. You know what I mean? So I'm on the way out. Get you one of these.